Hi everyone, this is Erik, Midway Mustang. Just making a quick video of this 2020 GT500 carbon fiber track pack car we got in a few days ago. Just taking a quick video. You don't usually see a car what was this nice and this bad a shape. This is our third carbon fiber track pack car we parted out, our sixth GT500 2020 and up. As you can see, it is very, very bad shape. Maybe one good wheel. It's got a little nick in it, it's front wheel. The spoiler is actually good shape. Just got a nick in it right there on the edge. Got a little too excited on this one, I think. Just needed some more parts to post up on our website in our GT500 category. But just the quick overview of the car. It's not good. And of course, the auction yards don't take that good of pictures for you because they don't want you to see all the damage. But I'm pretty sure that the block is cracked and the trans is pretty beat up. It'd probably be a good core for somebody. We're gonna tear into this car today. We just finished up another 2020 GT500 that will be piece and separating the motor and trans as well. Should be listed up on our website next few days. We'll have a long block out of that car. It didn't come with a supercharger. Somebody, I think it had a whipple on it and they robbed the supercharger off of it. But this car does have a supercharger, but I'm pretty sure the block ain't no good. I really hope nobody was sitting in that passenger seat over there. We'll have to see what we can get cleaned up and salvage out of this thing, but looks like a big giant paperweight. I don't know the miles on it yet. We'll pull the cluster and put the cluster in another car. Not really sure. We'll have to cut that glass out. The carbon fiber dash trim is not existent on the other side. Yeah. Guess the only cool factor of this thing is I got a cool video of it, I suppose. Judging, I'm gonna guess and say maybe somebody was sitting over here. All right, nothing else to see here. Check out our website, midwaymustang.com, for whatever we get parts-wise out of this thing. Like I said, we just tore apart another 20, so there should be some parts listed there. And maybe another 20 GT500 later today as well. So, well, thanks for checking it out.